Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another project that I have just finished, and this is the custom order project. So I make it in the lilac soft purple color. Let me to show you the book first, okay? And I crochet this in the white yarn and make a frame and with acrylic transparency. You see how you can change the photo. Okay, so this beautiful image that I added with this digital images. Okay, and now I'll show you what you will have in this book. Okay, for the first page, and all the pictures here you can see, and let me to put everything out so that you can see the original, how it look like. Okay, this is the frame, and the first page here, and I already glue everything, and I use the cardstock because I want the book is you can see it's quite stiff here. So yeah, you can see here, and I print up, and this digital image here purchased from Etsy shop. I will put the link below the description box. So yeah, who interested to these images, you can check the link below the description box. Okay, and this I not included this kit. This is another paper that I found it from Pinterest. Okay, but it's quite matched with this, and you can see I sew all the pictures. Okay, so all the pictures here, and see the paper is so gorgeous, very soft. Okay, like so. So, and this is the back. Okay, this is the book, and for the image that I include, and I also print some of this paper cardstock, so yeah, I can layer this image and just fussy cut the size. You can use this layer for this. It's the size is bigger, but so you have to trim the size. So you got the page like so. Okay, and I show you all the image first. Okay, and yeah, this one and this image here, and this is the same, but this is big, this is the small one. So another one, and the big one. So if this one is too big, you can fussy cut out the image. Okay, and this another big cardstock, so you can use this to make another page, yeah, if you like. Another image, this one. So yeah, all this is the images. Okay, and the cardstock for you to for who purchase this. Okay, and I for this digital image included this door frame, so I print it out, one in the small, one in the big size, and fussy cut out this. So yeah, you can, if you want, you can use this big door to put this page here. And I also make another acrylic frame, and this side you can glue, and yeah, I can glue this page yeah, you can glue. I didn't glue it together because I'm not sure which, maybe you like to put it at the last page or the middle page, so I just leave it and just for yeah, you follow your way. So you can glue this and make another flip here. Okay, so the flip here, you can put the door frame here if you want. So yeah, you can, like so, you got another door frame. This is quite big size. Okay, if you want, you can use the small door frame here. So you got another page here. Okay, so this one I put the back, maybe, yeah, you can leave this to hold tight. Okay, so for the image here, and I also include some laces, and I also cut the size, so but you have to trim, yeah, for the lace. You can underneath layer the lace like so, and you can layer the lace underneath the page also. Yeah, it turned out beautiful. And put your image here. Okay, like so. So I have different, yes, sizes of this lace fabric, so you can use all these to layer the images or whatever you can do with this. Okay, just up to the recipient. Okay, like so. Okay, and all this cardstock is for to play with this book. Okay, and of course there you have some word tag, I mean the yeah, this, and I sew the edges, so you can put this, yeah, glue, and underneath you can, yeah, add the lace, whatever. So you have many different here. Imagine, shabby chic, inspire, dreams, and journal, story, love, beautiful, remember, and memories, forever, and happiness. Okay, so it's two different color actually. Is you can see light and the darker color. So all this here. Okay, and now I show you what flowers you can also include. One of these flowers is the color is quite match. That's so beautiful. And I also include this kind of the is the one, the pin here. You can add the dangle, the beads, and the flower. Also see how you create this. You can use this to make the crochet or whatever. So I create one of these, and also the ribbon flower into 3 different colors, matching color, soft and dark, and yeah, this color. So you can use this to make the kit. And this beautiful lace, you can see it's beautiful in the mint green color, so you can use this to turn out beautiful. Okay, and also include some of this embroidery trim. This is type of, and this, and also this one, all all is my favorite. I love all this kind of, you can see the color combination is turned out beautiful. I love all this trim, yeah. And this one I put quite a lot here, and one more this. You can see oh, it's beautiful. So you can use this to create your bow. Cover, yeah. Oh, this is the flower embroidery lace, and I also include this, one of my favorites, trim. See, focus. The camera, yeah, show the color is different from yeah. You look in person is very soft lilac color, and also include this beautiful soft, yeah, color. It's not so beautiful. And this one, yeah, you can use this to tie and make the tie together the bow. Okay, and also some slim trim in the gold, very vintage pale gold. And actually it's quite turned out so quite nice with the soft, this color, the lavender color, and some soft green. See how you play with this, and some white gathered lace. So yeah, that's it. This is all the item into this bowl, and I love how this turned out. And yeah, I might be able to, if I have if not enough time, I will make another one. Yeah, one for myself. I love one of these is what, yeah, it's my favorite color. I love. So I really hope you all like this too, as I do, as I did. And yeah, if please feel free to leave me a comment, and all the comments are appreciated. And yeah, if you like this kit, give me a big thumbs up to show your support. And yeah, and thanks again for everyone. I will come back and show you another project that I have finished. And yeah, please stay tuned, and bye bye. And yeah, I'll just make one this only. Yeah, if I have time, then I will make another one, maybe in different color. Yeah, just follow my heart. And thanks again for everyone.